Hi everyone, welcome back to my pregnancy update. It's been, I want to say, over a month that I have recorded my update for you. I am now 31 weeks, which is equivalent to 8 months. 8 months with twins. On this Friday I will be 32 weeks and a lot has changed. So I just wanted to briefly give you an update while I'm feeling up to it. I've been struggling. Like I said, I've been wanting to do a video since, I don't know, a few weeks ago, but I don't know, for some reason I just haven't been feeling good. Perhaps maybe I'm having twins and they're just zapping all the energy out of me. But anyway, here's my update. So again, I'm 31 weeks, which is 8 months. My doctor is really not giving me an update as far as my my birthing plan, and that is because my fearless leader, my baby A, she's in position, but my sweet baby B, she is still breech. So we're just still kind of playing it by ear. They still have a lot of room to move around. Well, I'm going to say she, baby B, because I do not want baby A to move anymore. So baby B still has some time to move, to get in position. Still have some room in her sac. So we're praying on that she will just turn the right way and be nice to me so I can have a natural delivery, vaginal delivery. So anyway, I wrote some notes down because it's just been a while. So I think the last video that I did, I said that I stopped taking my Xanax. Well, I was truly miserable with doing that, and when I told my doctor about this whole situation, why I feel like it's not working and blah blah blah, he increased my dosages. So I'm taking 3 pills a day, which work perfectly. I have it where I schedule it, I know when to take it, and I get a hold of it so it's not irritating my throat. I'm not dealing with the major acid reflux. And I have to say, oh my gosh, rewind. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. It's been that long since around Thanksgiving time that I did a video, so I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I had been very busy with my in-laws and family coming over, so that's another reason why I haven't really been, I hadn't recorded either. But I just hope that everyone enjoyed their Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. What a great season. It's just like it's going so fast. So so I wanted, okay, where was I? Pregnancy fog. So I've been taking them 3 times a day and it's been working well, perfectly. No complaints, like none. And then the only complaint that I will have is if I don't take it when I'm supposed to. If I push my middle dosage, if I take that too late, I'm done. Like, that's when I'm gonna feel it, and pretty much I have to wait till it settles in my system before I can get back on track. So my Xanax 3 times a day. I'm not even taking Tums. I really don't even have to take Tums anymore. I don't even have any more Tums, because with the 3 times a day it settles my acid reflux. Let's see, I was actually able to eat a full meal while my in-laws were here, and it was, of all things, lasagna. And can I tell you, that's the first time that I ate a portion of food that did not bother my system. Like, you have no idea. I ate the whole thing, and for me, that is just like, that has been the greatest feeling ever, to eat real food and all of it and not feel anything. So I was very happy with that. I did try to get a little over the top and wanted to get a little cheesecake, but then I think that was just doing too much, and I had a little bit of indigestion. So I was like, you know what, okay, I'm doing too much. So but eating, that was, I mean, that was the biggest highlight of that day for me. I'm like, oh my gosh, I ate and I'm able to not feel yucky afterwards. So that was the best thing ever. I'm also incorporating iron, more iron. So I've been eating kale salads from Whole Foods, which is helping me with my iron. Now, I went to take my glucose test like, I don't know, weeks ago. I think within the time that I was supposed to do a video recording, and everything came back fine. My, glucose was fine and everything like that, but they said I was a little anemic. And my iron was a little low, and they were asking, does my prenatal have iron? I'm like, yeah, it has iron. So I didn't want to take any more type of iron pill because I'm already, dealing with constipation. I went from diarrhea to constipation, so now I'm back to that. So I incorporated kale into my diet, and I'm enjoying it. So it's like a kale, cabbage, carrot mix, and I just have it with my lunch or with my dinner. I top it off, like, seriously. And the first time that I had it, I did feel a little bit different. Like, I felt better. I had some energy, and it was like, wow, you know what I mean? So I'm thankful that I'm able to eat that green, that type of green. Right now I'm not really doing broccoli. I mean, the kale is doing it for me. And I also think because of that good crunch, in addition to me eating ice 3 times a day, the kale is right up the alley with the crunch. So those two for me go hand in hand. What else? Oh, so when I went to the doctor this past week, I've noticed, well, from a few visits, that I have very weirdly been losing, excuse me, I have the heat on, very weirdly have been losing a few pounds here and there. So I didn't really think of anything the first time. I lost about 4 pounds, and I'm like, huh, that's weird. And then this past week or so, I lost a pound, and I'm like, should I be concerned? Should I, tell my doctor, I'm concerned? And then I also felt that baby B wasn't moving as much as baby A. And although I, from my ultrasounds and all that good stuff, her heartbeat was good, I just didn't know what was going on. You know what I mean? At the time, her heartbeat was good, but I was like, let me just tell the doctor. And he didn't want to take any chances, so he sent me over to the hospital. We had some tests run. They're doing fine. Baby B is just breech. The way she's laying, it was, I don't know, the way she's laying, I'm not going to feel her as much. Right now, both of their backs, I think, are towards facing outward. So when we went to get some of these tests done, and they hook you up to the monitor just to monitor them for a little bit, it took them over an hour to find baby B's heartbeat, just because she was positioned in such an awkward way. Like, her heartbeat was literally, they had to go up in my left rib. So it was just weird. But they're doing fine, both of them, and they've actually gained weight. So it's Mama Bear who has to eat more, which means my doctor recommended, I told him that I wake up a little late. So he says I need to wake up a little bit earlier. I'm cutting myself out of a meal, so that's probably why I lost weight, or it could be water gain or water weight. So one of the two, but it's nothing, there's nothing wrong with the babies, they're fine. He just wanted to make sure that they were okay. What else? So I get up, try to get up at 9 o'clock, give my body some time and some strength to prepare myself something to eat for breakfast, just so that I can start the day right. And hopefully when I go back to the doctor next week, I'll have not lost any weight, but perhaps gained weight. And this is the first time that I was told that I can have milkshakes. He wants me to eat, but not to the point where I'm like eating bad and that type of thing, but just to eat, just make sure you eat. And I know I wasn't eating as much as I should for them, so bad mommy. What else? I mean, I'm just ready for them to come. Like, I'm ready and I'm not ready. I went to Bye Bye Baby, check out a few things. I'm telling you, when I go out, it's so spare the moment. I really can't plan when I go out. I just have to be able to do it. And it takes me just forever to do things, to go out. I have like, I don't know. I think I'm at this point with the twins, well over probably 9 months for as a singleton, like if I had a single baby. But I'm just ready. I'm thinking maybe 31 weeks, maybe like six or 7 more weeks, which brings me to like the 2nd or 3rd week in January. I don't know, but I know that for my last growth and cervical growth and checkup with the doctor, my cervix did shorten a little bit, so it went down to like 3.8 something. So it's moving like I didn't think ever it was going to, but I'm thankful that it's continue to be long and strong so that I can hold them. But you know, it's moving. Oh, and they have gained weight, so they're like 3.8 ounces and 3.14 ounces. So I'm just thankful. They were saying that it's amazing how they're both getting adequate nutrition. Like usually you have one twin who's like a full ounce off, but they are like neck and neck, and they've always been neck and neck with their weight. So I'm thankful for that. And when I go Tuesday, I'll get a more detailed update on their length and their weight. So I mean, this has been great. What else has been happening? Nothing much. I'm just counting down at this point. Just counting down. Like, I can't believe it. These girls will be here. Like, they will be here soon. So we're just preparing and getting things in order, straightening up, making sure that we have our necessities, and picking up things that we still need, you know, from our baby registry. And that's it. Oh, excuse me. I think that is it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So 31 weeks, 8 months, and we're just waiting for these girls to bless the world and bless our lives. So other than that, that is it. I definitely will record another video showing you the things that I have so far, or the things that that we're going to use right now in the beginning. And I thank you for following me on this journey, and to all the twin moms. I've been just doing a lot of research on nursing, pumping, everything, sleeping, everything, swaddling, because this is new for me. So it's just a whole nother ball game. It's like 2, and I just want to make sure they're on a good routine. I just want to make sure, you know, you're going to struggle in the beginning. Yes, I know that, but I just want to have some sense of what I'm in for, and all the how-tos, not to be caught out there and not know. I don't want to not know something, completely not know something. At least I'll know something. With all the different social media information websites out there and support groups, there shouldn't be any reason why anyone should struggle. Like, you could do so much research on your own just to have a successful bring home baby first month, first week. So that's what I've been doing. So I hope that if you have any further comments, any suggestions, any of you twin moms have any advice for me, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Yeah, I'm going to be probably breastfeeding and bottle feeding. I'm not going to introduce formula just yet. We're gonna see how it goes. You know, you never know. You never know. It could be too overwhelming for me with 2, and I may have to go to formula. My heart is set out for me to nurse and pump and bottle feed, you know, eventually, you know, once they start getting used to me. So that is it. I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope everyone enjoys my update. Let me see. Can you see my stomach? It's have a sometimes it's so funny. My husband says sometimes I look huge, sometimes I look small. It just depends if they've moved around. So this is me right here, and yeah. So that's it, guys. I thank you for watching, and I will chat with you soon. Bye bye.